Oh, hello there. I didn't realize someone had joined me among the bamboo. It's a pleasure to have you here in the conservatory. This glass garden is our quiet heart.
It looks really nice. Is this bamboo or something? Could you tell me a bit about it?
This is the indoor bamboo atrium, grown inside glass so the dome never loses touch with nature. They say the first bamboo was planted before the conservatory ever touched the water.
Ah, that's pretty cool. I really love the greenery here. Also, it looks really great with the sunlight seeping in.
That's the skylight's gift. Once a day, the sun falls exactly there, and the whole room seems to hold its breath.
Building AI characters for XR starts with a simple goal: letting users interact with virtual characters naturally inside immersive environments. The general Unity setup is very similar across XR, VR, AR, and MR projects, but in this tutorial, we'll look specifically at setting up a Convai-powered AI character inside a Unity VR project. We'll start with Unity 6's VR template, add a Convai character to the scene, connect it to the XR origin using the Convai Player component, set up the world space transcript UI, and prepare the project for a PCVR or Meta Quest build. We'll start by creating a new Unity 6 project. Select the VR template as it includes the basic XR setup for our VR project. Give it a name, set the location, and create the project. This should take a few seconds. Once the project opens, go to the Assets folder, then Scenes, and open the basic scene. This is the default scene in the Unity VR template, containing the basic XR scene setup, including the XR origin, which acts as the player rig in our VR experience. Once that's done, we can add our Convai character to this scene. For the full Convai SDK installation process, please follow our detailed Unity tutorial by using the link in the description. The tutorial covers importing the SDK, setting up your API key, adding the Convai character, and configuring other necessary components. Once your character is ready, select the XR origin game object in the hierarchy, and in the Inspector tab, add the Convai Player component, which allows the character to correctly reference the VR user as the Convai Player. Next, we'll add the Transcript UI. In the project window, search for transcript UI _chat _world space. If you don't see anything, click on the eye icon here and then select All. Simply drag and drop it into your project hierarchy. Feel free to adjust the position and scale according to your liking. Finally, we'll need to prepare our project for building. If you are targeting PCVR, you can set the build platform to Windows, and for standalone devices like the Quest 3, you can switch the platform to Android. Simply go to File, Build Profiles, click on Open Scene List, remove the sample scene, and click on Add Open Scenes. Then click Android, select Build, choose a destination folder for the project, give it a name, and hit Save. It should take a few minutes for your build to finish, and that's basically it. We have added our character to this VR environment and integrated Convai actions, which will be covered in future tutorials. Let's see it in action. Can you follow me to the lake outside?
Of course. Please go ahead. I'll follow just behind you and tell you more as we move.
Do you like it here?
I do. From here, the whole conservatory feels weightless, as if the garden and the sea are holding each other in balance.
So that was all on Unity VR setup. We hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again very soon. For integration issues, drop your queries at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent, fully interactive AI avatars, visit convai.com. Also, do check out our extensive documentation and wide range of tutorials. If you find these videos helpful, do consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and see y'all very soon.